Rabbit. Wow! See for yourself.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit! Wait! Please!
He went this way. No, no, that way. It's important gate. Oh, goodbye.
Now this is curious. Told you would.
Frost, perchance? I'm not sure where I am either.
At night! Come back,
By the way, he went this way.
And each of us.
His Imperial Highness, the Queen of Hearts, and the King.
Shall we play croquet?
Rule 42, the King always wins.
Goodness! I think today's my birthday too.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to comment your favorite memory from this attraction. Throw us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for a great big beautiful tomorrow. This is Magiq Atlas, bringing the magic to you.